Hi, Clement here from South Tech Reviews, and today we're just doing a small little unboxing. I received the package from LG and I don't have the slightest idea of what's inside, but as we continue, I'm just going to crack open this thing with a trusty old knife, the Leatherman. If you're interested, Leatherman, if you'd like to get in touch and have me check out some of your other future products, please hit me up. So let's get cracking. And yes, little letter inside as well. And it's from LG Electronics. It says, "Dear Clement, welcome to LG's Media Club." So I'll just put that to the side. It's the LG Tone Free, and what's really nice is it has a UV nano case with all of the germs that's currently haunting us. It's nice to have something that is able to clean itself. So let me just do a little unboxing. Cut and cut, and as you'll see inside we get the headphone itself, a really awesome rounded case, little LED light. It's pretty cool. Moving along, the box, warranty card, as well as a USB-A to USB-C cable. It works via Bluetooth, so it should be easy to pair. For now, this was my quick unboxing, so I can't wait to share whatever else I will be discovering this week with these headphones, the quality, and being able just to keep a general clean ear. So for now, I'd just like to thank everybody for your attention, and I hope to see you guys soon again. Goodbye.